AI-driven prediction tools have become essential for investors, marketers, and business strategies. They read patterns humans miss. AlphaSense combines financial data, earnings reports, and market news to forecast industry shifts. Google Cloud Vertex AI lets enterprises build custom models trained on their internal sales and market data for trend prediction. TrendSpider uses AI pattern recognition for traders, perfect for predicting breakouts in crypto, stocks, or forex. Feedlead AI monitors thousands of publications and services, rising trends before they explode. Abacus AI trains your own predictive models using historical business or user behavior data. Zero coding required. Combine Feedly for discovery with Abacus AI for forecasting. Together, they give you early insight and accurate projections. Companies using AI powered forecasting tools are 50% more likely to pivot correctly before market changes hit. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.